In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine oil dipstick on this Ford F-150. We're working on the 5.4 liter V8. Let's get started. The dipstick is located on the driver's side near the firewall. Between your intake, coolant reservoir, and brake booster / master cylinder, you'll have your yellow engine oil dipstick. This is what we're after. Pull it up and out. If you're replacing it because the handle broke, just use some pliers and pull it out. If you're replacing it because any part of this broke and it has fallen down into the dipstick tube, you're going to want to pull the oil pan off and fish out any material or any part of the dipstick that fell in there. You don't want it floating around in your oil pan. Having said that, here's your dipstick tube. Let's replace it. Now, if you had your new dipstick, if you can, compare it to the old one to make sure it's the same length. It should be, as long as you picked out the right one for this particular engine. But you want to make sure you don't have the wrong one so that it can measure properly. Stick it down into the dipstick tube all the way, and there you have it. Dipstick is reinstalled.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.